our top focus at this hour, the tragic incident that took place in Baramati earlier this morning. Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar died in a plane crash. The aircraft, a Learjet 45, it took off from Mumbai in the morning and was headed to Baramati. Besides Ajit Pawar, there were two other passengers along with two crew members. And that includes the pilot. The plane was being flown by Captain Shambhavi Pathak. According to flight radar, the aircraft was clear for landing and it was in fact attempting a second approach to Baramati when it eventually crashed. Eyewitnesses say the rescue efforts began after the crash, but multiple explosions in quick succession left no chance of survival.
दुख भरी दर्द भरी घटना है। ये हमने देखा कि एयरप्लेन जब नीचे आया था ऐसा लग रहा था उसका क्रैश हो जाएगा ऐसा हम सोच रहे थे, तभी क्रैश हो गया। हम देखे कि हमें लगा नहीं क्रैश हो गया है, लेकिन एयर ट्रैप पे उतरेगा ऐसा लगा, उतर रहा है, लेकिन क्रैश हुआ और उसके बाद स्फोट हो गया उसका जबरदस्त। स्फोट होने के बाद वो हम देखने आए, पहले देखा तो उसको आग लगी थी पूरे प्लेन को, और उसके बाद 4-5 स्फोट हो गया विमान में उसका, और उसके बाद बहुत लोग आ गए और उसने निकालने की कोशिश की, लेकिन बड़ी आग लगी, उसके कारण कोई मदद नहीं कर सकता। लेकिन सब आ गए, तब बाद में उसमें आजिदाता था। ये हमारे लिए बहुत शौक की बात में है कि हमें बता नहीं सकते हम बात में ऐसा, लेकिन हमने देखा है कि पायलट ने भी ट्राई किया होगा कि लैंडिंग करने का, लेकिन लैंडिंग हुआ नहीं है। ये बहुत शौक वाली घटना है। हमने देखा पूरा एक नीचे आ रहा था, ट्रैप पे आ रहा था, ट्रैप के नजदीक 100 फुट से नजदीक आके गिर गया है।
In the latest, we've learnt Maharashtra has declared 3-day mourning in the state. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has cancelled all his programs, and along with Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, they will be departing for Baramati. A formal investigation has been launched by the DGCA, Director General of Civil Aviation, and the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, that is the AAIB. Political reactions have come in from across the political spectrum. Let's take a look at some of the top political leaders and what they feel on this tragic incident.
हम सभी के लिए इस प्रकार के जननेता को खोना एक अपरिमित इस प्रकार की हानि है। व्यक्तिगत मेरे लिए वो एक बहुत ही दमदार और दिलदार इस प्रकार के मित्र थे, और हम दोनों ने साथ में काफी संघर्ष का काल भी देखा है, और अब दृढ़ता के साथ महाराष्ट्र के विकास में जब वो योगदान दे रहे थे और एक बहुत लंबी पारी वो खेलेंगे ऐसी परिस्थिति थी, ऐसे समय उनका निकल जाना, मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि इसके लिए हमारे पास कोई शब्द भी नहीं है।
खरं म्हणजे असं कुणाच्या स्वप्नातही वाटलं नसेल की अजितदादा एवढ्या लवकर आपल्यातून जातील। ही महाराष्ट्रासाठी अतिशय दुःखद आणि दुर्दैवी घटना अजितदादांच्या जाण्याने झालेली आहे। त्यांच्यासोबत मी मंत्रिमंडळात देखील काम केलं। मी मुख्यमंत्री असताना त्यांनी उपमुख्यमंत्री म्हणून देखील काम केलं।
समस्त पवार परिवार और जितने भी समर्थक हैं उनको हमारी तरफ से संवेदना और शोक। मैंने बात की सुप्रिया जी से भी और उनकी मिसेज से भी।
And these are visuals from earlier this morning after the plane crashed, and these are live visuals that we have from outside the hospital where Ajit Pawar's remains were taken. People have gathered from across the state. Ajit Pawar was known as a grassroots man, a people's man. He had a very different and a close connect with all his admirers, all his followers, and anybody who was in his jurisdiction. What we've learned from people who knew him closely, his political associates and his colleagues, that he was always accessible to people who wanted to meet him. And there you see the number of people that have gathered just outside the hospital, very well aware that Ajit Pawar is no more. These were scenes from earlier in the morning from the crash site. Mangled remains of the Learjet 45 plane. It is a mid-sized plane usually used for VIP routes and for VIP transports. Nothing remained from the aircraft. This is the accident site. There was heavy police deployment soon after. A lot of the locals also gathered. The black box is to be examined. The investigation is underway. And a final confirmation on what really caused this accident, this devastating tragedy, is yet to be made public. What we do know so far is that the plane was on its way to Baramati Airport from Mumbai. That's roughly about a 1-hour flight. Towards the end, the plane was cleared for landing. And while it attempted to land, it is learnt that's when this tragedy happened. What caused it? Well, that's something we are staying clear of any kind of speculation on that. We will wait for the investigations to come in to give a final word. But the tragedy and what remained of the plane is very clear from these visuals. The plane crashed while it was in descent, and this is close to the airport. The Baramati airport has been in operation since several years. And reactions came in from across the political spectrum. Prime Minister Modi expressed grief, saying Ajit Pawar was a leader of the people, having a strong grassroots level connect. He was widely respected as a hardworking personality at the forefront of serving the people of Maharashtra.
त्यातलं पाणी संपलंय काय करतो